Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I am going to be unboxing the Ufree multifunctional all-in-one trimmer. All one word, one trimmer. Looks like they've got a little space in there. There's a couple of other little interesting boo-boos on the packaging here. So I normally do videos about higher tech products than this, but you guys seem to like the mix when I do these sort of, manly man product videos as well as some of the tech stuff. So I couldn't help but pick this up when I saw it on sale over at Amazon. I think it was on Cyber Monday, actually. I want to say this was almost 80% off. I think I paid a fraction of the cost of what this costs normally. I will actually leave a link in the description. It'll be an affiliate link. If you use it, it goes to support the channel, and I appreciate it. And then, so it's definitely a higher tech version of the one that I have now. And I thought, but time for an upgrade. It was cheap enough. And like I said, I basically picked this up for a song. I think it was maybe $30 down from $100 or something, or 80. I actually don't know what the price is, but yeah. So we're just gonna do a simple unboxing. We'll take the main razor out of the box here, and then I'll also show you all the various parts and so forth if you're curious. I looked for an unboxing video because I was curious and I couldn't find one, so I figured, hey, why not, right? And then so full body waterproof, which is interesting. You could potentially take this in the shower, I believe. So it has a replaceable blade to help protect from manscaping accidents. Ouch. Yeah, good. So that's good. And then here's the other. Complete control helps protect from manscaping accidents. Now that sounds like a bit of a deja vu there, doesn't it? I find it funny, some of these manufacturers, they do put a lot of thought into the packaging, but then they don't hire an editor to actually go through what it says. Anyway, yeah, so waterproof, LED light illuminates grooming areas for easier, more thorough trimming. And who does not need that? I couldn't find my normal unboxing knife, so I have this other kind of lame-ish one. I need to get a new machete off Amazon. And then, yeah, so packaging, again, it reads well. I don't like that they covered this LCD display up, which I'm the most interested in, with those little stickers there. We'll take a look at that in a second. So professional precision steel blade, Ufree R-shaped sharp angle design of blade is smooth and sharp, ensuring it does not hurt the skin or pull hair. Great. The professional self-sharpening blades stay sharper longer. 6 detachable trimming blades, 5 adjustable guide combs. So basically, you're able to control the length of your beard and or hair or whatever you want to trim. That's your business. I'm going to be using this for my beard primarily. And then, yeah, so we looked at that already in there. And there's basically, I think that's about it. Metal aluminum tube border, beginner limit comb. I'm not sure what that is. R-type acute angle cutter head, large capacity battery, powerful, and yeah, it's got a USB cable. I'm curious to see if it's regular USB or USB-C. So I am going to carefully get this out of the box, and I will be putting this through the paces tomorrow. So I may do a follow-up video if you guys like this one, or you're interested in seeing a follow-up video. Just drop me a comment below. So this guy comes right off. As we can see, we have the 11-in-1 styling kit, and yeah, kind of what you would expect to see in the box and packaging. I do like the look of the main razor here, very sort of high-tech looking. That's sharp. It's light. It's definitely light, which I suppose is a good thing. And well, but it feels solid actually. It feels solid. And and comes all charged up. How cool is that? So I believe those numbers are sort of interesting. So that must mean, oh no, I see. Maybe that has something to do with the speed. Not really sure. I'll bet that is blinking because it does need a fuller charge. But yeah, just right away, it definitely has some power to it. It's really vibrating in my hand, kind of cool. And the 99, I'll bet, is probably the battery life. Let me press the button again, and it has 2 speed settings. So the first setting, regular, and then that's sort of high tech. I like that a lot, actually. Definitely an upgrade compared to what I have now. And the more I hold this, the more I like the way it feels in my hand. It's definitely thinner than the one I have now as well. I should have probably broke that out just for comparison purposes, but yeah. And then so here's the various trimmers. So we have what looks to be, this is probably some sort of a beard trimmer here. Let's see if we can find some documentation so I can actually, oh, here we go. So it's right on the box, right over here, Tim, you're covering up. So we have, and of course there's no picture of this one, right? Make a liar out of me. So this guy is the nose and ear trimmer. Something that I'm familiar with. I have a separate nose trimmer, but nice that I won't need to use that or bring it with me when I go away. I do believe this is some sort of a beard guard, maybe. And then we have so precision trimmers. This is a design trimmer if you want to get really sort of, fancy with your designs. And basically all of this stuff will allow you to trim up your beard, in my case, and then also like a little a micro shaver as well. How cool is that? So that's like a little shaver, perfect for like the back of your neck or whatever. So the things that get you excited as you get old, right? And then here, and then, oh, okay. So there's definitely some surprises underneath the packaging. A free comb, that's nice. Can't remember the last time I've actually used a black comb like that. Gonna run that through the hair tonight. And then here, so I'll set that here. And then here we actually have the document. Ufree 11-in-1 super washable grooming kit, okay? And then, yeah, so basically gonna repeat some of the stuff on top of the box. And then the manual actually looks pretty solid. The type is small, but not microscopic. And then, yeah, so we actually have full documentation, which this is a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting this. What I'm looking for is a description of the various guards. I see, okay, so here we go. So it does outline those for you as well. And then my concern was that I did not see these combs right away. This is what I use to trim out my beard and keep it cropped and short. So I like this little holder as well, very cool. So here is our standard USB cable, not USB-C. But that's fine. We'll take a look. We'll take a look at that, and we may even try and attempt to plug this in. Well, no, here. So we'll plug it in right now. Show you where that goes. So it goes here, and then it's only going to go one way though. So you want to have the groove thing. Groove thing. Hold on. There we go, like that. And so that was easy enough. And then we have a number of these combs here. And these are what I need. This one looks about right for what I need to keep my beard cropped close. And then these guys, if you have a longer beard and so forth, so very close. So we have plenty of attachments, pretty much every attachment you could ever need, it looks like here. And then we have, I'm not sure what this is. This might be an oil for the blade. I'll bet that's almost definitely what that is. So in order to maintain it and clean it, I would basically say just go with whatever's in the document. And then this guy was actually upside down. So I don't know if these are interesting. So this will allow these guys to go in here. So you can put maybe the ones that you use most often and so forth. Set it up like this. But yeah, overall, it's like a really nice set. And then, these guys can go in here. It's like one of those puzzles that you did when you were a kid. And I would say, I'm going to put this maybe even on my bathroom counter and use this for basically just leave it out, and so that way everything is sort of convenient and at my fingertips when it comes time to do a beard shave. So very cool. I'm excited about this. I'm excited to start using it. And what a bargain I got. But yeah, so that is essentially the unboxing of the Ufree multifunctional all-in-one trimmer. And I'm going to get into the documentation a little bit better. But if you're interested in taking a first look, I mean, there's your unboxing video. And yeah, if you got any value from this, you wouldn't just mind giving me a quick thumbs up. Helps out the channel a lot. And let me know if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, so sort of manly products that aren't necessarily tech. Although, hey, if it's got a USB cable, it qualifies as tech, right? Anyway, hope to see you in the next video. And I hope this helped. And have a great day. Cheers.